I love many things that God has created in this world. One of them is rain. I love the sounds of rain without thunder or storm. I really love the moment when raindrops fall to the ground and created the most beautiful melody of nature that I have ever heard. Not only melodious, but the sound of rain also soothes. Every time I listen to this melody, I feel relaxed. My feelings become calmer and peace, and I feel grateful to the God for the pleasure that He provides. I usually enjoy the melody from the rain while reading a novel, drink a cup of tea, and stare out the window to see the raindrops. But my favorite way to enjoy the sounds of rain while closing my eyes because I can hear it clearly and I feel more relaxed. I don't know, but the sound of rain makes my set gone and I amazed because I always feeling better while I hear it. I live in Indonesia, which has two seasons, dry season and rainy season. During the dry season, it's hard for me to hear my favorite melody, so I miss the sound of rain badly. What can I do is searching to the sound of rain from the internet and listening it for many times. But the feelings that I get from listening to the sound of rain from the audio is really different from the real one. I really love the thrill of the sound of rain. So I thank to the God because of the provides that He gives to me.